In this video, I'm going to be showing you how quick and easy it is to print labels with the Munbyn printer. Munbyn makes it so easy to load your labels into the printer. You just open the cover, you put your label in through the back, your label size right through here, and then there are some sliders here. You just put that to the size of your label, shut the cover, and then it calibrates the label. And it is so easy to print from this mode. You just go into the Munbyn software and I just hit print, and there goes our label. That quick, that easy, and that fast. So now we'll go through how quick and easy it is to change the label. So I'm going to open the Munbyn printer here, and I'm going to pull these labels out, and I will put a shipping label in next. So you pull these sliders over and you feed your paper in, and then when you have it in, you just close your sliders, close it, and it's going to calibrate again to this size label. And now, as soon as it's done calibrating, we'll print our shipping label. Calibration is done. I just hit print, and here goes our shipping label. Fast and easy. So staying with our same label size here, I decided to do a cute image. So I'm just going to hit print, and here goes our design. Look how fast and easy it is to print with this Munbyn thermal label Bluetooth printer. I highly recommend this Munbyn thermal label printer. It's Bluetooth capable, and it is so great for all of your home uses and for your small business. Check it out today and see links below. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, see links below, and leave me a comment.